Hello mga kabilat! Good morning, good evening, good afternoon to all of you. Today mga kabilat, we're going to the Istiraha. It's called a rest house, but we are so much happy there, okay? Because all friends, family are just like reunite there. So just stay there mga kabilat, okay? Just stay there and save later. Bye!
A few moments later.
Hi guys, this is live. This is live. Shout out from Philippines and this Uganda. Hello, hello Ugandan people. Hi, welcome to our channel.
Welcome to our YouTube channel.
Yes, please subscribe.
Like and subscribe, share.
Don't forget.
Thank you.
Yes, and also this two
Yes. What did you say?
Philippine. Huh? Yes. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today's videos, I will share you about my stories. So guys, don't forget to like, to share, and to subscribe my YouTube channel. Okay guys, see you soon.
Lucky.
Click it, press the link. sorry guys, today's vlogs is
You know that. Ikaw mo kuminagin ko rin ako nakagina to ka nakawasak mo mo. Daw sa tingin. Kung si problema sa
guys.
uniform ko.
ano talaga ako, anong tawag nito?
Buka na ako natigin. Bawal.
She's beautiful. You know guys, she's a single. She's a single.
I'm not single, please.
She's a single. So if there is some man from American there, please take her.
Why all of that?
Take her to your country because she really wants to stay in your country, American boys. Man.
Sama ka mamay na ka bang She's live.
No.
I
I know her. She's spray and this is spray. Don't touch my live, bullshit. Oh, sorry guys. Okay, bye guys. We're starting meeting now. Okay, see you later. Bye. Hi guys. I mean, pagawas lang ako sa kong gibati, no? Kanang bitong nakay kauban nga mga ibang lahi guys ba, no? Murag iso jud kay sila sabton kay bisa kung saan ni magpauyon-uyon. Jud mga naagi tae ang utok. Naisin ko ba? Kumbaga. Mo na nga kamo gani og namoy mga kauban nga no sabton na lang gid mo kay kani bitong mga Pinoy no tag-as kay pasensya ba. No? Muna nga padayon lang taon mga kabilat kay ako ang gibantayan nagsabaw na. O sige. Og dire lang sa kutob lantawan nyo ng kahoy mga kabilat to. Unsa na kamatyonon na siguro na. Parehan na din sa mga tao nga naa dire kamatyonon na pud. Mo ni istiraha dire mga kabilat. Lantawan ninyo unsa kanindot, di ba? Siya. Una ako mga kauban na Hi guys, ug karon mga on mi. Git. It's okay, no problem. Just get. Manok guys, chicken. Lantawan niyo dun sa kalami.
Finish recording.
It's okay, just get, only get. You don't know.
Dumi mo talaga?
Are you angry?
Rauda.
Sana si ano? Road there.
Ay, maglagay daw kayo ng supra. Ba? Bakit? Bakit mo? Down? Down? Picnic. Yes. Yalla. Farida, تعال. Pinapay sa taas. Huwag mo akong...
Hindi ako yun. Oo, ako. Tingnan mo nga.
Kasi hindi ako naka-hijab. Naka-t-shirt pa.
Edit mo to. Hindi naman makikita lahat.
Saan cards?
Kain na kami, guys.
Pusi ka na ni Torta. Patari ka siya.
Kain tayo. Ito, may manok kami.
Exercise.
See?
Kadto.
Ito. Chicken.
Maba?
Look. Chicken. And beans.
Ay, kimakot eh. Ano sa pagbuwan? Dalang ba? Hindi sinapatan to. Hindi sarap eh. Parida.
Wala bang hot sauce?
Parida. Dinya mama. Wala yan sa dyan. Yan sa wala sugar. You are same nation? But you are Christian.
Muslim.
Muslim? You are Muslim?
Me too, I'm Muslim. Shout out to all Muslim.
Maliga, maldita. You are Muslim?
You are Muslim?
Pambidya na, ang kasaitan. Ha? He's saying I'm lying.
Kanina pa ako naiinis sa kanya.
I pray.
Sarap sapakin ba?
Next time when you come.
Galit siya sa akin kanina kasi hinawakan ko siya. Shout out to all my followers, my subscribers, and
Pag hindi kayo pinansin, huwag mo pansinin.
to all my bashers, guys. Thank you so much.
Tara.
This vlog, I will shout out to Mr. William from America who sent me $500, and thank you so much, sir. I hope you. I'm so much happy and so much God bless to you. Don't worry, I will edit that after I'm editing the vlog. This is not final because it's a video, right? To all Muslim, Assalamualaikum everyone. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, guys. Don't forget to like and to share. Okay? See? So hot.
Ulan si Lulu. Hindi ka na may kinagak.
والله ما في هدية يا مالك استنى علي استنى علي ما في هدية أنا أوريك يا شو واحد يلعب مسكوتة كفهد ما تلعبوه تاخذوا أغراضه ها استنى علي
Sumalik mo na yung bawagan ng banamba.
Her.
Sige, halahin na. Kalina, di. Kaya malinis to. Kaya man siya. Dumihan.
زعلانة ما في هدية ولا شيء عن حلوة
Sa atin, pag walang kanin, naghahanap ng kanin. Ano na natin? Pinutupan niya mo na niya, nakamalikan ka. Sabi niya lang, galing na rin ba mo? Nabugin ko dyan. Namulog kama. Sabi ka naman niya mo ka naman. Matalon niya.
Alam niyo guys, may sasabihin ako ha, mga kabilat.
Pag ito nabinawakan talaga, ewan ko.
Wag na wag kayong maniniwala sa mga ibang lahi. Kasi lahat sila mga plastic. Kumbaga,
Tapos, pag English ako, yung taro. Kaya pag English ako.
galit na galit talaga ako. Sobrang init naman to. Hinawakan lang, kala mo naman kung sino maganda puta.
They give,
Sabi pa niya sa akin, huwag mo akong hawakan. Sarap talagang
this a girl.
ilagay sa basurahan ba?
So because it's carried
No?
the sister, they gave
To all my viewers, please follow me guys. I will shout out to my 64,000 subscribers. Thank you so much everyone.
Lekando tuh. Sagay tangga.
Kiyong ka.
Puyutan to. Ha? Puyutan to. Sipan apa?
I was so disappointed in that guy.
Nanti ko doon naran pampara.
Once we meet, I tell
Ini pas bin puyutan gas tahu si bin api itu.
Kali kan suruh sa kuana? Kaya ko na tawa na sa walay. Kaya si bin up. Manas kan apple.
Ini namin.
Mana ako na ba? Mana apple juice.
So, how can you report something like this? What if she was here, the way you carried the other day?
Mafi sauce.
Huwag mo lang hanapin ang wala. Damo ka lang ng...
Hmm?
May ko kasi sinagan doon niya, kaya kung ano yung
Madam did not ask me.
lahigit man ganito. Hindi mo. Maliga. Kamaliga? Hindi mo.
She catching you?
Catching what?
What?
Huwag ka kasi makisaw-saw-saw-sapan nila. Ito talagang tao na to. Saw-sawi, saw-sawi.
Guys, please buy me this.
Even her. She always talk.
Because I'm so much I don't know.
Dako naman sa may kagina.
I don't know how to open this.
Pag gulang si Kais, tigo guda ka mga kabayo. Dako na damo nga ito nga. Bega sa hindi ko na kasang bega.
We are here for having fun, guys. Okay? So eat this.
Magic to ginawa mo.
Also talk about the wifi.
Siguro magic na vegano ka. Yung kamay ka? Ay, wasa.
About the wifi.
Bakit yung telepon? Ano?
Okay.
Dali magbahay.
I heard that. Ang gusto ng pinagano.
Last time when we are here.
So what's this?
All.
Okay. The next thing is on
Me? I put 4, maybe 3 put 4
It's almost 6 days ago.
and put in the until now. Pepsi.
Me, I don't need do like that.
Why?
Alhamdulillah.
Guys,
Kung gusto ko.
if I'm rich this vlogging,
Sakir mo na magatas.
all my friends I will treat
Hindi.
to go in
Ako yung
Japan.
Ang fruit. Paano na vitamin ka?
Especially here, you know, she really want to go America. So I talked someone
Gatas.
and someone buying visa for her to bring her to America. Okay guys, this
Are
is
you
real.
single? Single? Yeah, very single.
Not sure. Very single, not sure. She's still single and still virgin.
Wow! Who's virgin?
Virgin like this?
I'm not virgin.
No, this one is already open. No. It's not virgin.
I think there's no Pepsi, but I saw.
There's chips there. Chips.
Rice. Mafi.
Wala.
The way I love chips. Mas umatikiran kami kung gapong dito.
Sinandog niyo yung ano ko ha. Animal talaga kayo. Don't touch my mobile guys.
I'm not gonna use it. This is my son. And the chips. Okay, the chips in the morning. Afternoon. And the morning.
I'm so lonely. Are you married? She's married.
7 children.
You? Mashallah.
7 children but still virgin.
Okay, just did operation.
Really?
I'm still sick. I'm still virgin.
No husband?
So,
No?
because we did the
Okay.
Tarantado ang asawa.
It means that
You want to what? I give you what? Two husband?
I need big banana.
It's not here. Ours is black.
Yeah, but I like black because it's big.
Big what? Big where?
Big banana. Don't you like this?
You are mad. Next time go and check one. What?
Don't touch my mobile.
Next time when you go to the
It's just joking only. Don't take seriously.
That's what you always do.
Don't take seriously because you're going to die early. We are here in the Planet Universe to having fun. Okay?
Vlogging.
Vlogging is so many lies, no?
You guys eat this one.
I will get you here.
Talk for them. I'll talk a bit.
He can, do you know they can't hit them because they already were them. But they want you to hit them with it and catch the This is the only I should
Ma'am si Farida. Hindi mag-try ka. Hindi kasi mo ni pangin. Sometimes I don't have nothing to do. Because I was very hungry. Yeah.
I may hit because even if I don't hit, they already took. Finish.
Alhamdulillah. Gawin niya sa bahay.
There's so many food.
Ang dami oh.
Say hi. Hi to my future husband in America. Please take me out of here. Just say.
Nakakamatay yung silag na. Makapatay sila. I don't have a husband.
Just say to my future husband there. Please take me.
I don't need any future.
So how can you go in America?
All of them going to America, they have to be with husbands.
Okay.
Here, my child.
That's why I don't like it.